Hi viewers, welcome to Young Maths Academy. This class we have to consider algebraic equation, and as you can see on the board we have a problem to solve here. We have that solve x minus 3 to the power of 2 over 7 is equal to 2. In this way, in this kind of problem where we have the power of the expression in this bracket to be fraction, there's a very simple way we go with this, we deal with this to avoid not getting the right solution. Okay, so we have solution. We have x minus 3 to the power of 2 over 7 is equal to 2. So the first step I will take here is by raising this whole term on the left hand side by 7, so that I will write this as x minus 3 2 over 7 all to the power of 7. Why did I have to go that way? I can see that the power here in the fractional power, the denominator is 7, so I will take all the term to the power of 7, so that I will apply indices and this 7 can cancel out this 7. So it means I will say this also 2 to the power of 7, just this way. So applying indices here, we see that this 7 will eliminate this 7, so that we have x minus 3 to the power of 2 is equal to 2 to the power of 7 is 128. So here the next step is to take the square root of both sides. So I will say square root of x minus 3 squared is equal to plus or minus. Whenever we are initiating our square root, on the right hand side we add plus or minus. So plus or minus square root of 128. Okay, so we know that this square we eliminated this square root, so that we have x minus 3 is equal to plus or minus. Here we don't know, we cannot get a perfect square for this. The square root of 128 will not have a number, a perfect number that way. So what we do is, you know that 128, two values can give us 128. You know that 2 by 64 will give us 128. So that implies that I can write this as square root of 2 by 64. Okay, so from here we know that I can split that. The law of square roots allows us to split that. That is, I can say this is in short form, I can write this as square root of 2 multiplied by square root of 64. And from there, we know that square root of 64 is 8. So that we have x minus 3 is equal to plus or minus 8 root 2. 8 root 2. Very good. So next thing is to move the value here, negative 3, to the right hand side, or we simply say we add positive 3 to both sides, so that we say this is x is equal to 3 plus or minus 8 root of 2, and this is same thing as x is equal to 3 plus 8 root of 2, or 3 minus 8 root of 2. So here we have the solution. If we check this in the given question, substitute for x these values, we will end up with 2 on the right hand side, which shows that the solution is right. Thank you for watching.